Here we are in the tech lab. Mixxer has 4 3D printers. 3 of them are MK3s and 1 is a Prusa Mini. We also have a computer set up here where you can use the Prusa slicer to prepare your files for printing. First step is finding a 3D model file. There are several file types that work. The most common extensions are STL, OBJ, and FBX. Ready-made designs can be found on many websites. Reputable sources include Printables, Instructables, and Thingiverse. Another option is creating your own model. Free design software can be found at Tinkercad, B for Artists, or Blender. Now that you have selected a file to print, you need to prepare that file in the Prusa slicer. Here's the screen you will see when you open the slicer software. Start in the top right corner. As a beginner, you'll want to use the simple mode. Your print settings should read 0.15 millimeter, and the filament we use is Filament PLA. Since we have multiple printers available, you'll want to select the appropriate printer for this project. For today, I will choose the MK3. You notice the printer bed on the screen will change to match the dimensions of the printer you'll be using. Next, look at the menu along the top. The box with the plus sign is highlighted, allowing you to open a file. Search your files and select the item you want to print. To view your model from different angles, left-click and hold while moving your mouse. Basic editing is available on the left side menu. The most common thing that you will use as a beginner is the second item called Scale. That allows you to either scale the entire model or scale along a single axis. Once you've done any editing that you like, you'll go down to the bottom right corner and click Slice Now. Slicing will create a G-code that can be read by the printer. When everything is finished, export the G-code onto your SD card. Moving to the printer, you need to choose the correct filament for your project. The important considerations are the length remaining on the spool and the filament color. Ask Mixxer staff to help load the filament into the printers. With your filament loaded, you can insert your SD card into the printer's control panel. The printer will read and display the compatible files. Toggle the control knob up to scroll through the files and press the knob to select. The screen will read bed heating and show the temperature change. If you notice a problem while monitoring the print, you can press the control button to return to the main menu, then toggle up to pause or stop the print as needed. Remember, members of the Mixxer community are happy to help as you learn to create your own 3D prints.